Explore Serbia's breathtaking geography. Looking for your next travel adventure? Serbia offers a stunning array of landscapes, from the expansive fertile plains of Vojvodina in the north to the rugged peaks of the Carpathians and Dinaric Alps in the south. This landlocked country is packed with geographical wonders waiting to be explored. Serbia's rivers are the lifeblood of its picturesque valleys. The Danube, one of Europe's most famous rivers, cuts through Serbia, joined by the Morava and Tisa rivers. These waterways carve lush regions perfect for serene getaways, enchanting travelers with their natural beauty and historical significance. Discover how Serbia's northern regions embrace a continental climate, while the south hints at Mediterranean charm. This unique blend creates diverse ecosystems, from rolling hills to dense forests, making Serbia the perfect destination for hikers, nature lovers, and seekers of unspoiled beauty. National parks like Tara and Đerdap offer unmatched opportunities for adventure. Whether you're trekking through mountain trails, spotting wildlife, or taking in panoramic views, these pristine reserves showcase Serbia's geographical diversity at its best. Explore its untouched landscapes and reconnect with nature. Discover the hidden landscapes of Serbia. Hit like, share this with fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to uncover more travel wonders. Let the geography of this Southeast European gem inspire your next adventure.